Have you ever wondered what separates successful YouTubers from those who give up after a few months? After diving deep into the world of content creation, I discovered 5 game-changing insights that would have saved me years of frustration. Plus, I'll show you how tools like TubeMagic AI are revolutionizing the way creators approach video production. If you're serious about YouTube success, this video could be the turning point in your journey. Let me start with the harsh truth that nobody talks about. When I first started my channel, I was terrified of what people would think. I imagined my coworkers judging me and strangers criticizing my content. But here's what I learned. Absolutely nobody cares about your videos, and that's actually liberating. Your friends and family are busy living their own lives. They're not sitting around analyzing your content or gossiping about your channel. But here's the second part of this truth bomb. Your target audience also doesn't care initially, but for a different reason. People aren't paying for your videos with money, but they are paying with something far more valuable: their time and attention. Every second someone spends watching your content is a second they could spend scrolling social media or watching Netflix. When your videos don't get views, it's not because the algorithm hates you, it's because your content hasn't earned the right to someone's attention yet. This understanding completely changes how you approach content creation. Instead of taking low view counts personally, you start asking, what value am I providing? The second thing I wish I knew is the difference between being an archaeologist and an architect when finding your niche. Most people try to be architects, planning everything perfectly. They spend months researching niches and creating detailed strategies. But here's the problem. You can't architect your way to success without experience. The archaeologist approach is far more effective. You dig around different topics, making videos about whatever interests you. Sometimes you hit nothing, but occasionally you strike gold. Maybe one video gets more comments than usual or generates genuine excitement. I started with singing covers, then travel vlogs, then medical school content. Nothing worked until I made videos helping people get into medical school. The third crucial insight involves understanding supply and demand on YouTube. Every niche has a different competition level. Right now, study tips and productivity content are oversaturated. The supply is massive, which means the quality bar is incredibly high. You have two options: either create exceptionally high-quality content or find a less saturated niche where you can compete more easily. The fourth game changer is thinking in systems instead of individual videos. For my first year, I approached YouTube like a series of one-time projects. I'd brainstorm, script, film, edit, and publish, then start all over again. This approach is exhausting and inefficient. The breakthrough came when I started treating my channel like a business. Businesses grow through systems and processes, not random acts of creativity. I created content libraries and standardized workflows. This shift multiplied my productivity while reducing stress. Systems create leverage. The same effort with good systems produces exponentially better results, especially if you have a day job. The fifth insight completely changed how I approach content creation. Titles and thumbnails should come first, not last. For years, I'd spend 20 hours creating a video, then think about the packaging last. I was gambling all that work on packaging I'd barely considered. Now I never create content without a compelling title and thumbnail concept. If I can't create packaging that makes people click, I don't make the video. Your thumbnail and title are competing against every other piece of content. If they aren't compelling, your video content becomes irrelevant. This is where AI tools like TubeMagic are revolutionizing the process. Instead of hours brainstorming, you can generate dozens of variations in minutes. The AI studies viral patterns and psychological principles to suggest titles optimized for different emotional triggers. For thumbnails, TubeMagic suggests compositions and color schemes that perform well, helping you create professional designs without advanced skills. The script generation feature creates structured scripts with engaging hooks. It doesn't replace creativity, but amplifies it. TubeMagic also optimizes for discoverability, suggesting tags and SEO strategies by learning from successful channels. The automation features save incredible amounts of time, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects that truly require human input. But remember, AI tools are multipliers, not magic solutions. Use TubeMagic to enhance your skills, not as a substitute for genuine value. The most successful YouTubers use tools to handle mechanical tasks, freeing up energy for strategic and creative work. Success isn't about perfect equipment. It's about providing value and consistently showing up. The question is, are you ready to commit?